Evening and welcome back to another Project Bimmer video, and in this video I'm going to fit new wiper blades. So the problem's only become apparent because of all rain we've had. We've had a couple of storms recently, and I've not actually changed these wiper blades since I bought the car in December 2018. It's now February 2020, and I'll show you. It's this wiper blade. As you can see where it's all coming apart. So it's not wiping it properly. I'm getting a bit of a stripe of doom, a bit like a Hubnuts triangular doom, but that's the reason for it. So got myself some new Bosch Super Plus wiper blades, a set of 2 from Euro Car Parts, and I shall put a link in the description. There we go. We've got 21 and 20 inch blades, so one of these is shorter than t'other. So it should be just a simple job of taking these off and putting the new ones on. And I don't think there's any tools needed. Obviously I can't do it in the garage because Sleeker's still immobilised. Hopefully that'll be all fixed in part 28, which I've yet to shoot. Anyway, it's on with this. Take these out of the box. Everybody loves a good unboxing. Remember to dispose of your packaging and responsibly, and recycle where possible. So we've got the longer one here. This is the longer one, and we just measure it up. Looks like, yep, the right hand one on driver's side in the UK is a 21 inch. So we just put them next to each other. There we go. So we'll just get this one off. Oh, when are you going to see this? So we just squeeze. So I've no idea how this goes, but just there we go. I think, is it going to come off? Bloody hell. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, we lift that, and now it comes. There we go. So remember the one on this side, driver's side, or the right hand side. What's this? Is it being a UK car? It's a right hand drive. This should just look straight in. And there we go. That's one wiper blade done. So it's going to be the same story with this one. So I don't know how well you're going to see this. Oh, look at that! 10 times quicker. And yeah, that was one reason why I decided to video both sides. And there we go, job done. It's really as simple as that. I'm not normally in my videos, I put a disclaimer that this is how I did it, but because the job is so simple, you can't treat this as a how-to. So that's it for this video. Really simple job. I've not done wipers on this car. Don't think I've done front wipers. I know I did a rear wiper on Citroen a couple of years back. Anyway, simple job, no tools needed. So that's it for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and questions and comments, you know where to put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.